So when I came back to the Meta Voice, they guide me how to crack the interviews, how to prepare for the interviews, how to go with the basic to the high level of the concept. And they taught me the way how to take interviews. When I joined the channel, they told me that you have to prepare the demo, then we will review your demo. According to that, we will finalize the next interview, mock interviews for you. And afterwards, and they did also that. I have given my two mock interviews. First interview like that, I feel that somewhere my competence is getting lagging behind. So they guide me where I was doing delay, where I was making mistakes. So because of that, when I have given the interview second times with Meta Voice, it was really great. Even I feel that really I can do and I can be prepared for the job also, and then my confidence get built. Apart from that, Meta Voice also helped me in giving the notes and preparing the content. The content we know, it is actually the content they are giving, but the thing is that we are the people where we try says that this is a small thing that we can directly do it, and directly we can this achieve the success in our interview also. But when we go, actually we are skipping a small things of our content, and because of that somewhere we are lagging behind. So Meta Voice try to prepare us well with the help of notes and lot of mock interview sessions, also guide us to go at the final step of the interview. Apart from that Meta Voice, where I joined here, that they schedule my interview with such great companies also. Although it was my first experience here, but sir was there who always give me confidence. Don't worry, you will be selected. If won't be selected, then also I'm there to guide you. And as he said on the first day, we are here to help you. You just take our consultancy. Whatever help you require, till the end, I'm there. And really, from the first day when I joined the Meta Voice till the now date, whatever help and requirement is there, Meta Voice guide me very fast. And I'm really helpful for the Meta Voice for giving me such a great opportunity and for making my career.
सो हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मेहता वॉइस। आप सभी का स्वागत है एक बार फिर आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल मेहता वॉइस पर। आज फिर आपसे हम मिलने आए हैं एक नए वीडियो में। एंड आज टुडे वी हैव न्यू मेंबर विद अस, इनका नाम पूजा है। पूजा ने रिसेंटली अभी फिजिक्स वाला में मैथमेटिक्स फैकल्टी का जॉब रोल क्रैक किया है, और सबसे अच्छी बात, उन्होंने 1 गो में अपना इंटरव्यू क्रैक किया। और बिकॉज उनका इंटरव्यू इतना अच्छा था, शी गॉट द प्रेफर्ड लोकेशन जहां से वो बिलोंग करती है, जो उनकी प्रायोरिटी रही शुरू से। तो मुझे लोकेशन प्रायोरिटी चाहिए, मुझे ये लोकेशन चाहिए, मेरे लिए ज्यादा एडजस्टेबल होगा ये लोकेशन पे। एंड फाइनली व्हेन शी क्रैक द इंटरव्यू, उनको जो ऑप्शन मिला वो अपनी लोकेशन का ही मिला। तो जानते हैं पूजा से उनकी जर्नी के बारे में, हाउ शी क्रैक द इंटरव्यू, ये मैजिक कैसे हुआ, क्वेश्चंस कैसे आए थे। बिकॉज पूजा इज अ गर्ल जिसने बहुत मेहनत करी है, मैं जानता हूँ पर्सनली, बिकॉज वो हमारे मॉक का पार्ट भी रह चुकी है, हमारे साथ जुड़ भी चुकी है वो। तो आई नो शी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स। मैंने मेंटरिंग करी है, गाइडेंस दी है, बट द वे शी हैज वर्कड हार्ड इन द कंटेंट पार्ट ऑफ टेस्ट डेमो इंटरव्यू, उन्होंने बहुत एफर्ट्स करी है। तो मेक श्योर टू लर्न फ्रॉम पूजा मैम, वो आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाएंगी। वो एक्स बायजूस की फैकल्टी भी रह चुकी थी, तो उनके पास नॉलेज काफी है, कंटेंट बहुत है उनके पास। इसीलिए आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, उनको ध्यान से सुनिएगा, उनसे सीखिएगा, एंड अपनी लाइफ में उसको अप्लाई भी करिएगा। बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं आप किसी भी इंटरव्यू की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आपको ये टिप्स जो मैम देने वाली है सेशन में, आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाली है आपकी जर्नी में। सो बिल्कुल सुनिएगा इस सेशन को, एंड तक सुनिएगा एंड ट्राई टू लर्न फ्रॉम मैम। तो पूजा, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मेहता वॉइस। स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल पे। और एज यू नो, हम सब बहुत खुश हैं जस्ट बिकॉज आपने बहुत शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन में अपना इंटरव्यू क्रैक किया, 1 गो में इंटरव्यू क्रैक किया, प्रेफर्ड लोकेशन भी ले ली, एंड अच्छी सैलरी भी ले ली आपने। तो ओवरऑल आपने जो मेहनत करी ओवरऑल स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक, दैट एक्चुअली रिजल्टेड इन समथिंग बिगर पिक्चर। जो आप चाह रही थी, एक ब्रांड मिल जाए, एक ऐसी जगह मिल जाए मुझे, वो आपको मिल गई। तो आपसे जानना है हमें आज, मुझे भी और पूरे दर्शकों को भी, कि ये जर्नी कैसे पॉसिबल हुई, कैसे आपने स्टार्ट किया, कैसे अप्लाई किया, क्या क्वेश्चंस थे आपके। बट पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं आपके एक बेसिक इंट्रो से, ताकि पीपल शुड नो अबाउट यू एंड योर बैकग्राउंड, आपकी जर्नी के बारे में। देन वील मूव विद दिस जर्नी ऑफ फिजिक्स वाला, कि हाउ दिस मैजिक हैपेंड। So over to you. You can start with your intro.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, I would like to thanks for giving me such a great opportunity to speak at your channel, that is Mehta Voice. Yeah, my name is Pooja Kandekar. I belong to Nasik, Maharashtra. I was having the experience. I was ex-sir told that I'm the employee of the Byju, and before 6 month of the period, I connected with the Meta Voice. One of my friends suggested me that this is a channel because I was knowing the things that somewhere I will get how to get the stand. But the thing that happened that the prefer location, the prefer guidance for getting a good opportunity and good role, here Meta Voice helped me. But somewhere it comes to the part of the job. Everywhere this teaching field is such a field that everywhere center there are limited vacancies, and to go and to fit in such a limited vacancies there are a lot of reviews, and to get finalized, to get selected, it's really a big journey. When I was coming back to the Meta Voice or giving the interviews before the Meta Voice, I was preparing a lot of stuff, lot of content. I was reading each and everything. We don't know the exact way. We don't have exact guidance. We know content. As we are thinking that we are very good, we have the experience of 2 years or 3 years. But the exact that interviewer expect from us, it's something different than this. So when I came back to the Meta Voice, they guide me how to crack the interviews, how to prepare for the interviews, how to go with the basic to the high level of the concept. And they taught me the way how to take interviews. When I joined the channel, they told me that you have to prepare the demo, then we will review your demo. According to that, we will finalize the next interview, mock interviews for you, and afterwards, and they did also that. I have given my 2 mock interviews. First interview like that, I feel that somewhere my confidence is getting lagging behind. So they guide me where I was doing delay, where I was making mistakes. So because of that, when I have given the interview second times with Meta Voice, it was really great. Even I feel that really I can do and I can be prepared for the job also, and then my confidence get built. Apart from that, Meta Voice also helped me in giving the notes and preparing the content. The content we know, it is actually the content they are giving. But the thing is that we are the people where we try says that this is a small thing that we can directly do it, and directly we can achieve the success in our interview also. But when we go, actually we are skipping a small things of our content, and because of that somewhere we are lagging behind. Apart from that Meta Voice where I joined here, that they schedule my interview with such great companies also. Although it was my first experience here, and before that I was always talking with the 𝐻𝐵𝐿 sir that so I want this location. I was really worried for the location, and even it was my choice. If I will go somewhere, it should be an MC company and it should be the national brand, because I prefer that where I'm going, it should be the best company that previously where I'm working. And it was to having lot of conditions and lot of location preference. It's really difficult to get the job, but because of Meta Voice, it's possible. They guide me that Pooja, you have to prepare in such a way you can do. The thing I like it. So many times I feel that I'm lagging behind. Even sometimes they also feel that she don't have the confidence to do the things. But the 𝐻𝐵𝐿 sir, whenever I call, when I get frustrated, I call him and I always say, sir, this is the stuff that is happening. What to do? What is the suggestion for that? And he is talking so positively that you feel that really you have the capabilities. You can go and you can do it and you can achieve the success. Then even at that time to discuss the stuff, I again call the sir. I only tell the sir that, sir, this is the thing that is happening. Now I'm not prepared. What can I do at such a moment? I don't want to give my second round because I'm feeling that I'm not prepared for the second round. But he said, Pooja, you go, you give the interview. Whatever you want, do it confidently. If it won't happen, I'm there to help you again. We will schedule another interview with another companies also. But you now go, as you are good faculty, you are prepared, you go and you crack the interview. And in the same way, the thing happened. I go, I gave my interview. Even I was feeling somewhere that no, I'm not that good. My second round was not that good compared to first round. But let's see what happened. Even I was saying that no, I'm not sure that I will get cracked. But sir was there who always gave me confidence. Don't worry, you will be selected. If won't be selected, then also I'm there to guide you. And as he said on the first day, we are here to help you. You just take our consultancy. Whatever help you require till the end, I'm there. And really, from the first day when I joined the Meta Voice till the now date, whatever help and requirement is there, Meta Voice guide me very fast. And I'm really helpful for the Meta Voice for giving me such a great opportunity and for making my career.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
Thank you for your kind words, Pooja. It really means a lot to me कि आपने इतना कुछ सीखा, जाना हमसे. And actually you applied and you have cracked the interview. So I'm very happy for you from the bottom of my heart. और आपने जो चीज सोची, जो प्लान करा, वो आपने एग्जीक्यूट भी करा. Now people wants to know that how physics वाला happened. कैसे हुआ, आपने कैसे अप्लाई किया, राउंड्स क्या क्या हुए, क्वेश्चंस कैसे आए थे. Let's start from the beginning कि आपने कैसे अप्लाई किया, राउंड्स क्या क्या थे और क्वेश्चंस कैसे आए थे आप.
The thing is that when I applied the physics wala, this was my second interview in the physics wala. The first thing happened that my first round was done. And when I applied for the first round, they said that it's okay, your round is also okay, but we will give you Nagpur location. So at that time, I was not ready for the Nagpur location, and I denied for the go for second round because they said if you're not taking Nagpur location, we will suggest somewhere else. I said okay because I don't want to go to the Nagpur. My preferred location was this Nasik and Pune only. So in the same way, the journey goes, even the 1 month stuff goes. Even I was thinking somewhere that I was really nervous that I should take the opportunity of the Nagpur, why I cancelled the Nagpur and all. So after some days, I found some of the vacancies on the LinkedIn that there is a vacancies. So I talked with the Moigo sir, this is the opportunity in Nasik, there is one of the vacancy. Will you help me in scheduling the interviews? So in the same way, I tried from my side by applying through the mail. Even sir has his contact with the HR and all that. He speak with the HR. Then he said to the HR that this friend, please schedule her interview here. Help her in schedule the interview. She is very good. She will definitely crack the interview. Even he told many positive things to the HR, and because of that, on the second or third day only she scheduled my interviews. Now the question comes how I prepared for the interview. The thing was that all the basic and stuff I was preparing, but the way and direction I told you that Meta Voice shows us. So here there was a many type of questions. Is that in my first interviews they asked me about the complementary angles. In the both my interview I prepared for the demo on this trigonometry. When before joining the Meta Voice, the demo I prepared was really lengthy demo, many concepts and many small things. I made a mistakes. I have collected a lot of stuff together. But sir told me that Pooja, your demo should be simple, sorted, and only specific number of content should be there. You have to go with the short tricks. Even you have to include many things in the content. So that will be easy to understand also, easy to deliver also. And because of short tricks, it is easy to remember for the students also. If you are going to provide a tricks while in the demo, then they understand that this person has really done a deep study of the content. And this was the thing that I was willing. I don't want to leave a single content. Even I collected all the information where I started with the demo, because 50% of the stuff they are asking is basically on your demo only. As I told you, even when I joined this, gave my interview, in the first interview they asked me for the complementary angles concept. Then they give me 2-3 examples to solve that. If science value is this, what is sine 60, what is tan 20, then if it is there sine 89, then sine 89 cos sine 88, then such questions goes to the cos 1, cos 2, then how we can solve this. So it is basically depend on the complementary angle. Then the kind of questions come from the identities also. And when I was giving second interview, that interview was somewhere finding that where I can catch her mistake. Even when I gave my first round, there he asked me the question of the ratios. I explained the stuff of ratios. Then where I wrote the content was I will also give the application of the trigonometry, then ratios, then I will go for the trigonometric tables. So when I completed my introduction applications, and when the part comes of the ratio, he stopped me. He said that now I want to know, write a trigonometric table. Now the way I write a trigonometric table, sir guide me that you have to give the tricks. So it was a question for me, but I explained, I gave that the sir, I'm teaching the student, and I there also apply the this short tricks. But the question he asked that how you can they say that sine 30 is 1/2? What is the logic and what is the reason behind that? You can't directly say that no value come then. Then I explained the theorem of 30, 60, 90 degree theorem. To find the angle of 45 degree, I asked the theorem. He asked me the theorem. I explained the stuff. Here he asked me the value of sine 65 degree. Then even he asked me the concept of hypotenuse. If you said that Pythagoras theorem is there, as we know that trigonometry is applicable in this right angle triangle. So there he asked me that you how to explain the Pythagoras theorem. Even the questions were asked that area related to the circle, tangent secant theorem. What is the difference between tangent and secant? What is it? What is mean by orthocenter, circumcenter? Then centroid of a triangle, mean, median, mode. He asked me the what is the relation between mean, mode, and mode also. Then even the question was related to the Apollonius theorem. The question he asked me was also related to the all type of theorem, that is tangent secant theorem, geometrical theorem, and I remember the question is regarding to the area of a similar triangles also. And when I go for the second round, it was totally application based of the question. 3D image they create in front of me and they ask how we can apply the concept of this. If we want to find the diagonal of 3D cube, then how we can find from the bottom aim to the top one. So there even they gave me some of the hint that the questions are there this way. And even the second round of the interview is really tough. You need to prepare for that. But sir was there to help me. So it was easy for me.
Perfect, great. So Pooja, majorly people feels issue in demos because आपने Byju's में भी काम किया है. You have seen how to make a demo. आपने यहाँ भी demos दिए हैं. So I want to know some tips from you जो हमारे viewers को help करेगा to make a precise demo. तो आपके हिसाब से what things should be taken care when we are shooting a demo for any coaching institute?
So yes, this is the thing where the observer observed us the first, as we were there for the guide me. First of all, when I was preparing myself, I was thinking that I will, as when we go to the class and we tell the student, we think that all student doubt and concept should be clear. So we go with the slow, many type of things we involve in the demo, and we go step by step. But same thing we are doing in the applying demo. This is introduction, so I should add this part also, that part also. We should cover each and every concept. But when I joined the Meta Voice, they said that the interview, how to take lot of interview. Your demo should be of 10 and 15 minutes only. But the thing which you are going to show in the demo, it should be short and sweet. That observer also find it interesting to learn what should be the next thing that she is going to tell us. So the part in the demo that should be the first introduction of the topic. Then it should be why you are studying the topic. That is application based question. Then you have to go with the second selective part. As I have selected trigonometry, then the basic of the trigonometry was relating the previous class knowledge with this class. That as I said that trigonometry is in previous class, it was Pythagoras theorem. This class, the content we are going to learn in right angle triangle, it is also the right angle triangle only, but it is trigonometry. Then you have to write the key points, whatever you are going to take in this 15 minutes. That was, I wrote the introduction, application, then trigonometric ratio, trigonometric table, and example. So they understand that she is a kind of person. She has a complete knowledge of the topic, whatever you are going to cover in that. Now, it's not necessary that which, if you are, within 15 minutes, you are going to cover 3 points, but you have to write at least 5 points on the content. So what happened that within 3 points, we can't explain the whole topic. So if you are writing 5 points, then the observer is getting hint that the question should be asked in this point, that what happened with me. So, and we know after 10 to 15 minutes, he is going to for sure going to stop us. He will not say that you have to teach complete content. In the same way, I teach him that trigonometric ratios part. Then I give one of the short trick here. And after that, this content was only of my 10 to 12 minutes. He stopped me for sure. It was going to be happen. And even I was expecting. Now, the first question he asked me was on the remaining content, which I was going to tell in my previous next part of the demo. So he directly chose the topic that explained the trigonometry. Now, why we have to choose a big content for the demo? There is that in first part of the demo, We are providing the trick, because tricks are very much important, because this is a national brand and those are making the student to prepare for the IITs and NITs. And there, student can't learn a lot of stuff. They want short and sweet thing to remember, because there are a lot of things they need to study. So if we are the teacher which are making the content easy, obviously student is going to prefer us. Now, what happened at first time we are preparing the trick, giving the trick. The second time, as they are telling us explain this topic, at that time also, we know, even I'm the person that I don't know the short trick of each and every topic. But when she will ask us the question, and at that time we are explaining this introvert that this is a trick, and in this way we can answer the question or we can explain the student, then it create an impact on the introvert, that you have to follow this tip and tricks, and then you have to. And whenever you are ending with the topic, you have to make the conclusion part, which is very short and sweet. Why we are studying this topic, what we have studied till there, and how we can apply this in the real life. And this is the thing that I think that it should be get introduced. It should be in the demo, so that it will be really interesting.
Absolutely, absolutely. And Pooja, some recommendation about books. Which books to follow if people are preparing for foundation faculties? Which books do you recommend to follow for interview preparation questions?
So the thing is that if you have proper experience and proper knowledge of the content, this follow the question and everything which is Meta Voice is giving, that is really fine. Because what is happening that even I was a person that before coming to the Meta Voice, I used to prefer NCRTs, then I used to catch the concept from RD Sharma and all that. But the thing is that when Meta Voice guide us, at that time, here are the questions related to NCRTs, also RD Sharma also, and some are the basic level of 11th and 12th also. So if you are going to this catch their content, you can, instead of finding the book, you can Google the things also. Now, whatever question they are providing us, you have to correlate the content with NCRT or RD Sharma, or there is no need also, because Google is there, who is providing each and everything. But what happened when they are providing the question related to that, a similar 2-3 questions you have to put. Now, what they said, you have to go for centroid, orthocenter. Now, centroid is that where the median intersect each other. Orthocenter is that where the altitude intersects each other. Along with that, you can go for the incenter also. You go for the perpendicular bisector also. These are the things related. This is a topic which is standards of 8 standard. So you will pick the topic and you can read. Even they will give us the question related to trigonometry. Then similar kind of pick 2-3 type of question. Now, what is happening? This is math. This is not science and SST or English, we can say. That content is going to be remain same. Maths is really challenging. What I will say that the concept are same, but the questions based on that is really different. So you should not say that this was the question they provide us. Similar kind of question you have to prepare by your own, then really it is possible. They are there to guide us. They are, and which is really helpful. Because what happened, I was the kind of, I know about this topic, that topic, and that topic. But what happened when we have the enlist of the number of the question, we can cross-check our answers only. Yes, I know this concept very perfectly. We can tick mark it. This concept I know, this type of questions I know, that is really helpful for us. So I suggest that really go for them. And they are really, because whatever, when I enter in the Meta Voice, talk with 2-3 consultants, and they really demand a lot of things. They are just helping in scheduling the interviews. But Meta Voice, most of the company where I found who is really actually preparing for the candidate, and they really fulfill their words. I'm really thankful for them.
Most welcome, Pooja. This kind word actually means a lot for us. So guys, this is the thing I tell you, that मैम के experience से आप सीखिए, because she is an ex Byjuite, वो Byju में पढ़ा चुकी थी. She has a lot of experience in teaching background, demo कैसे बनाना, interviews कैसे करना है. But she is the person who knowledge बहुत ज़्यादा थी. The way she has explained everything very clearly, I am very sure आपको learning मिली होगी, सीखने मिला होगा कि how we have to execute things. सबसे major issue ये आता है, the thing which we study, डायरेक्शन सही नहीं होता है उसका. हम कुछ ऐसा चीज पढ़ रहे होते हैं, कंटेंट ऐसा पढ़ रहे होते हैं जहां पे देयर इज समथिंग जो हम लैक कर रहे हैं या मिस कर रहे हैं, या जो जरूरी है एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, वो हम कहीं ना कहीं मिस कर रहे होते हैं। तो कोशिश ये करो कि डायरेक्शन ऐसा बनाओ अपना डेमो का और इंटरव्यूज का, थिंग विच इज इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, उसको आप पढ़ो। एज पूजा राइटली सेड दैट मेटा वॉइस इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म जो प्रिपरेशन करवाता है। कंसल्टेंसी बहुत सारी है बाहर पे जो आपको जॉब शेड्यूल कराने में आपकी हेल्प करेगी, आपके इंटरव्यूज करवाएगी, बट द पर्सन हु इज प्रिपेयरिंग यू फॉर दिस इज द थिंग दैट वी डू फॉर यू। हम आपको हेल्प करेंगे, आपको गाइड करेंगे, आपको मेंटर करेंगे। ऑब्वियसली स्टडी पार्ट इज योर्स, हम नोट्स देंगे, कंटेंट देंगे, पढ़ना पड़ेगा आपको, वो रीड करना पड़ेगा आपको वो, बट शेड्यूलिंग में इंटरव्यू एंड आपका कॉन्टैक्ट करवाना एचआर से, उससे पहले हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है पहले आपको हम प्रिपरेशन करवा दें टेस्ट डेमोज इंटरव्यूज की, ताकि आपको एक आइडिया मिल सके हाउ यू हैव टू गो विद द कंप्लीट कंटेंट एंड एक्चुअली आपको कैसे अपना लुकआउट करना है फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग द इंटरव्यू। तो आपको अगर जुड़ना है हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म से, आपको लर्निंग लेनी है हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर इंटरव्यू, टेस्ट क्वेश्चंस के लिए, आंसर्स के लिए, डेमोज के लिए, इंटरव्यूज के लिए, तो फॉर दैट वी हैव अ सेपरेट कोर्स जिसमें विल हेल्प यू टू प्रिपेयर, जिसके थ्रू आप किसी भी इंटरव्यू को किसी भी एडटेक में बड़े आराम से क्रैक कर सकते हैं। हमसे जुड़ने के बेसिक मेथड्स है, एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर है आपके स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश आउट हो रहा होगा, हमको आप व्हाट्सएप कर दो, वील चेक एंड वील कॉल बैक यू, जिससे आपका डाउट क्वेरीज जो भी आपके होंगे विल रिजॉल्व दैट, और प्रिपरेशन में आपको हम हेल्प करेंगे। सेकेंडली, एक गूगल फॉर्म का लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है, उस फॉर्म को आप फिलअप कर दो, मेरी टीम गेट बैक करेगी, जो भी डाउट क्वेरीज आपकी होती है उसको रिजॉल्व करने में डेफिनेटली आपकी हेल्प करने वाली है। तीसरा, एक टेलीग्राम चैनल है हमारा जो आपके लिए फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, उसको आप ज्वाइन कर लो, यही नई अपडेट्स वगैरह आती है वहां पे जो आपको आपकी जॉब क्रैक करने के लिए बहुत हेल्प करने वाली है। एंड चौथा, एक व्हाट्सएप चैनल है, उसको भी आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, बहुत हैंडी है, जॉब की अपडेट्स मिलती है आपको, आपकी ड्रीम जॉब सिक्योर करने के लिए वो चैनल बहुत ही हेल्प करने वाला है। मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ गाइस, इट्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ योर एफर्ट एंड माय एफर्ट। मेरा काम है डायरेक्शन दिखाना, गाइड करना, आपका काम है पढ़ना और प्रैक्टिस करना। एज मैम राइटली सेड कि डायरेक्शन दिखा दिया हमने, गाइड कर दिया, बट एफर्ट्स यू हैव टू डू। डेमो के लिए वी हैव गिवन यू ऑल द टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स, गाइडेंस, आप उसको देखो सुनो, बट फाइनली हाउ यू हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट दोज थिंग्स, ध्यान रखना है आपको इन चीजों का। एंड देन फाइनली यू हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट इन द एग्जामिनेशन, जब आप वहां डेमोज दे रहे हो तो दैट विल ओनली कम विद प्रैक्टिस। तो हमसे आप गाइडेंस लो, नॉलेज लो, बट आफ्टर योर प्रैक्टिस ट्राई टू गिव योर बेस्ट इन डेमोज एंड इंटरव्यू। तो पूजा, बिफोर वी रैप दिस सेशन, आपसे एक मेरा क्वेश्चन था कि बहुत सारे ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स हैं हमारे जो ऑलरेडी इंटरव्यूज की प्रिपरेशन तो कर रहे हैं, बट एक दो इंटरव्यूज क्रैक नहीं होने की वजह से वो बहुत डिमोटिवेट फील करते हैं कि हमसे नहीं हो पाया या हम नहीं कर पाएंगे, हमारा लेवल डेवलप नहीं है इतना कि मुझे ये इंटरव्यू के लिए क्रैक करना चाहिए या अटेम्प्ट देना चाहिए। सो आपके हिसाब से ऐसे कैंडिडेट जो क्रैक नहीं कर पा रहे इंटरव्यूज, जो डिमोटिवेट हो जा रहे हैं बाय गिविंग 1 or 2 इंटरव्यूज, 3 इंटरव्यूज, उनके लिए क्या टिप्स है आपकी, हाउ टू गेट मोटिवेटेड विद ऑल दीज थिंग्स?
This is going to be happen before when I was giving the interview, it was happening with me also. Sometimes I used to crack the interview, sometimes it happened that location is not prepared, or sometimes the question was of higher level, so we thought that this many disappointment things come in our mind that we are not prepared. But for that I will just suggest them, believe in yourself, because you are only the one who is going to give the success for you, not the external peoples are going to come, they will help you, they will guide you, it's not going to be happen. You are only one, as I told you. So better believe and do the practice. If this time you get a failure, no problem. You have to prepare yourself. Ask question to yourself. Prepare the demo well before going that. You are now what you wanted to do for demo. If you are asking, you have to ask the question to yourself. Which type of question examiner asks? Or am I for sure prepared for the demo? As I told you that I have choose only 2-3 topics, that trigonometric ratios, trigonometric table. But the thing was what? That are the people who are going to catch you from any points, and they are there to pull your legs backside. So the thing is that go take out the points. Even they asked me the question regarding 30, 60 degree, 90 table. And this thing was deleted from the content 2 years before. But still they asked the question there. So you have to prepare in such a way that if you are taking any one of the topic for the demo, then you have to not leave the single thing before. Then take out the NCRTs of previous year. Nothing they will ask for the demo apart from the NCRT. 2 years back, don't skip the deleted content also, because they are there. They will focus on deleted content mostly, because what they wanted to do, they are not doing the interview of the student, they are doing interview of the teacher. So at least though the content is deleted, the knowledge for the teacher should be that of the previous deleted part also. So then also it is proved that no, she is a teacher and she should stand in front of 100 of the student. So they are selecting the best faculties also. Then apart from that, when you are doing practicing of the question based on the topic, as I told you, Pythagoras theorem, then you should at least solve two questions based on that. How these things can be applied in real life. What happened when you are preparing for the content? It's okay, you know the definition, you know the things. But when you go in front of the interviewer, the somewhere fear come in your mind and you scare the things and you lost the thing. So what happened that you are forgetting, but when you will do the application based practice, at that time the content in your mind will get remain. No, if I forgot a definition also, but I know how I had applied this, and because of that, at least 50 or 70% of the things will remember you, and you can present in front of them. Now, as sir said that why if you are getting disappointment, so I will just suggest the practice make the man perfect in the same way. Do it, practice it, tell the sir that he is there to guide you, take one more sessions of me, and whatever concept as you are getting outside, because topic everything is there perfect. Take each and every chapter. Now what I'm doing for the student, yes, you are preparing for the board, you need to take make the checkbox of the topics. Yes, you have 14 lessons, then out of them you have to do for the 3 revisions. The first revision you are going to see which our topic is there. Am I prepared with this type of topic, that type of topic, next topic? Then if you are not done, just make the notes that this topic of the particular this lesson is pending. Then go for the second lesson, third lesson, fourth lesson, and one time's revision done. In the same way, you can revise yourself also, no? Because you are also the student. You are not that you are prepared and you are going for that. So treat yourself like a student. We are going to give the exams. Then only you will achieve the success. In the second revision also, yes. In first of the this was a topic where I feel that I'm getting somewhere lacking behind. Focus on that topic, build that content. Then again check whether you are perfectly prepared. Okay, then prepare the short notes of the topic. Fine, no problem. Then at the end, what will happen that there is no need of opening the book. At that time, you can say that yes, if it is real part of real number, then what is the GF relation between GCT and HCT? You can directly deliver the content. If it comes in the part of the trigonometry, they will ask basic trigonometric tables that you should know, the ratios you should know, identities you should know, trigonometric table it should be known. Then you should know the proper way how you can apply the distance and height logic. If what is given, base is given or hypotenuse is given, you should know that it should be if base and hypotenuse is given, you need to find the perpendicular, or hypotenuse and angle is given, you need to find the perpendicular. Then it should be the concept of sine theta only, because it comes upon this perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This thing you have to cross check it yourself. Go with its small part. It comes with the AP. You should know how to find the end term, because these are the things which just create the logic for the maths. In science or this, you can say that there are a lot of theory part. So when I leave that institute and go in the Align, there also I was facing that yes, I have to go for the interview, but I was not prepared actually, and I never go prepared with the interview. I directly randomly go with the interview, and I used to queue it. So how I will get success or not? Many times of that, even I'm the like you, the person where the fears come in my mind.
Yeah, absolutely. So guys, this is the tips ना जो आपको एक एक्सपीरियंस फैकल्टी दे सकता है, because Pooja has faced so many interviews. उन्होंने जहाँ जहाँ काम किया, she actually is a person जिन्होंने सब चीज शेयर करी आपके साथ, अपना प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस, प्रीवियस जर्नी, so that you can learn from it. इसका एक ही मोटिव था, even you give your interviews, आप ये मिस्टेक्स ना करें जो मैम ने कभी करी हो, या जो चीजें हमको अंदर से एक वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करती है हमारे लिए, how we'll present. तो आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, try to learn from ma'am, rewind the video and check her updates, because the thing which she has told ना, वो अपने एक्सपीरियंस से बता रही है आपको, जो आपको आपकी जर्नी में काफी हेल्प करने वाली है. मैम का इंटरव्यू हो चुका है, बट शी इज हेयर फॉर यू ऑल, ताकि आपको गाइड कर सके, टिप्स दे सके. प्लीज थैंक हर, रिस्पेक्ट मैम्स टाइम, एंड डू थैंक इन कमेंट सेक्शन, बिकॉज वो आपके लिए आई है. जो टिप्स वो दे रही है, अगर कुछ भी आपने उसमें से अप्लाई कर लिया, बेसिक फ्यू टिप्स अगर आपने अप्लाई कर ली, तो आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर आप किसी भी इंटरव्यू को बड़े आराम से क्रैक कर सकते हैं. तो इट्स नेवर टू लेट गाइज. अगर आपने प्रिपरेशन अपनी स्टार्ट नहीं करी है, हमसे जुड़ जाइए, जुड़ के प्रिपरेशन अपनी स्टार्ट कर लीजिए। हम हर कदम पे आपकी हेल्प करेंगे। मैम की टिप्स, हमारी गाइडेंस, सब मिलके एक कॉम्बो बना करके आपको हम डेफिनेटली वो हाइट रीच करने में हेल्प करेंगे जो आपका एक ड्रीम हाइट है, जहां आपको पहुंचना है। सो अब भी लग जाइए प्रैक्टिस में, हमसे जुड़ करके सारी चीजों को, डाउट्स को क्लियर करके ट्राई टू क्रैक द इंटरव्यू एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। बदले में एक चीज चाहते हैं आपसे, टू सपोर्ट अस, लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, ताकि जब भी आपको हम अच्छे वीडियोस लाके आए आपके लिए, ऐसे वीडियोस लेके आए इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस के, उसको आप शेयर कर सको फ्रेंड्स के साथ। जो आपकी अपडेट्स को शेयर करो, ट्राई टू लर्न फ्रॉम अस एंड ट्राई टू एग्जीक्यूट दोस थिंग्स टू गेट योर ड्रीम जॉब एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। बाकी हम जल्द मिलते हैं आपसे एक नए वीडियो में विद सम न्यू कंटेंट। तब तक ध्यान रखिए, अप्लाई करते रहिए, ट्राई टू ग्रैब योर ड्रीम जॉब एज सुन एज पॉसिबल। ऑल द बेस्ट, टेक केयर गाइस।